Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fill out PDF forms in DocHub. Whether you're completing applications, contracts, registrations, or business documents, DocHub makes it easy to fill out PDF forms directly from your browser. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open the PDF form you want to complete. If the document isn't already available in your account, upload it from your computer or import it from a connected cloud storage service. Once the form opens in the DocHub editor, review the document and identify the fields that need to be completed. Many PDF forms include interactive fields that you can click and fill in directly. As you complete the form, review each section carefully to make sure all required fields are filled out accurately. Taking a few extra moments now can help prevent mistakes later. Once you've finished entering all the information, save the document and perform a final review. Verify that your text, selections, and signatures appear correctly throughout the form. After confirming everything looks good, download the completed PDF, share it with the appropriate recipients, or store it securely in your DocHub account. And that's how to fill out PDF forms in DocHub. With its built-in form filling and editing tools, DocHub makes completing digital documents fast, convenient, and paper-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.